Hello, so today we will be learning about using integers. So last class I gave you homework to use integers. So if you have any questions, please email me at taranrex@gmail.com. I will put it in the description. So this is the integer. So we're going to be using integers. So let's take a look. So I want you to go to your Java class project and make a new class called integers. And as usual, you know what to do. So if you have done my homework, then you would have gone int equal int, and you can say anything there. So for this, you want to do int num1 equals to say 4, and don't forget your semicolon. And then today we're going to learn about adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. So what I want you to do is to do 2 of these and say num2. Okay, now when you have 2 of these, you can go type in system dot out dot slash print ln, or just print as you learned last class. You can do any of those. It's just up to you. I would prefer the ln, so then you do this. Remember, instead of this your quotations, you want to put in num1, and then when you run it, you will see it's loading. Oh yeah, you need your quotation. You need your semicolon there. Okay, you'll see 4. Now if you want to do something like 1 plus 1, then what do? I will let you pause the video here and think about it before we move on. Okay, so if you've paused the video and think about it, and then you think you know how to do it, then you can follow along with me. Okay, what are we're gonna do addition today. So we're gonna add this. Oh god. There we go. Let's just add num2 with num1. And then you can also do this and plus. No, yeah, equals. Now, if you're wondering why this is going to be red, it is because they're going to think it's going to be part of num2. Well, it isn't. So you want to do another plus. And then it's just going to say this, like, num1 plus num2 equals to the answer, which we can do plus num3. Now the Java thing is gonna think it's gonna be so confusing because it's just gonna keep on adding. So what you want to do, if you want the answer, then you can just do num1, this like quotations even more, no, the parenthesis brackets even more, like this. So just can physically add it. Now I don't want to do that right now because you want to go to here and you want to also do again num1 plus num2 2. And let's see what you're gonna get. You can see 8 equals to 44. And this is not the case. So I just gotta put it 3, yeah. Okay, so this added it, but this didn't. So what you really want to do here, you want to do this, so this physically adds for you. So then there's no need to worry about this right here. But remember, whenever you do this, you also have to have another parenthesis bracket like right here. Okay, so let's see what you're gonna get. 7 and 7. You might start to wonder what's wrong. Well, I know how to fix this. So what I want you to do now is you can create another int. You can do num1 plus num2. And you can also do num3 equals to num1 plus num2. Don't forget your semicolon right there. And then instead of just this, then we just do num3. Okay, let's try to run it again. Honestly, I think we have to put quotations right there. And put another one right here. Yeah, so this should be working. You want to plus this literally, so there you go. You gotta have that. That's what my mistake is. You have to put quotations right here. You have to add it like this. Num1 plus num2 equals to num3. Let's see if this is gonna work. See, look. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Now, let's try subtraction. I also recommend that you don't copy and paste this code because you want to learn this. But for the video's sake, I'm gonna copy and paste this code. Okay, so here we go. I copied and pasted the code. And this is again. Now, what number do you use to get the answer for division? We're going to do division. What do you want to do for division? I will let you pause the video right now and think about it again. Okay, so if you think about it, then you would be doing right here the division sign, as you all know. But then how we do it here? Because num1 plus num2 equals to num3, like this. Well, I want you to do num4 and create a new one. You'll see why later. Because this is going to be part of your homework. And it's not going to help you if you're going to do num3 and you can change the code up here. I'll show you why. Num4. And then you're going to do equals num1 plus num2. No, num1 divided by num2. Here we go. Num1 divided. This is the division sign, so don't forget that. And let's see if it works. Okay, looked like it worked. But if you're wondering why it's going to be 1, it's because whenever you do something, you want to make these numbers a decimal point. 1 decimal point number would change everything. So, yeah. So you want to try to do a decimal point, except I don't know how to do that yet. So then, let's just say you're going to do this, And whenever you enter a number, you want to probably do an even number first. I will teach about division letters next time. So we can do 4 and another 4 again, I guess. See, here we go, 1. So you know this is accurate. So now for homework, I want you to complete the other 2 ones. So I want you to do multiplication and subtraction and list it all out like this. So take a screenshot and send it to on the Gmail. Send it to taranrex@gmail.com and I will look at your homework accordingly. So remember, no caps in my email. And also, one other thing, if you want me to continue my Java, then please subscribe and leave a comment saying you want me to continue my Java. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when you give me your homework. Goodbye.